Hey everybody, welcome to Remote Shop. My name's Alex and I am a high school woodshop teacher as well as a tech integration specialist. I've been teaching for 10 years. This is my 10th year in education, and it has changed a lot. It has taken me to places I've never thought I would be teaching and reteaching and moving in and out of positions. And I've kind of come full circle now. I kind of started in the shop and now I am back in the shop during this crazy year of 2020. So, excuse me, we started out this year and needed a sub to fill in for woodshop. I had taught shop before in the past, and I thought, that might be cool to get back in the shop, kind of help out some students that need some good education, some good shop skills, some good techniques, versus the sub that was in there and they were doing some book work. But I thought let's give it a try, and so this is where we're at now. Now I'm creating YouTube channel videos for this class, and then for everyone else that'd like to watch them. But we've moved into remote. We are done with in-person learning for right now, so we are going to be remote, and this is what my kids are going to be watching. We're going to be discussing. We're going to be going over it as a hands-on, interactive kind of YouTube channel. So we use Zoom, and so our Zooms are going to be what we interact with, but you guys on YouTube here, you guys will just get the video. You won't get the discussion. But leave that in the comments below if you want to have a discussion about what we're doing or what I'm doing wrong, because I'm always looking to improve on what we're doing. So welcome to the channel. It's going to be a build channel on what we do in shop class. So hopefully you come away with something new that you've learned, something that you like, and something that you are inspired to make. So enjoy.